This Patriot Viper Venom RGB DDR5 64GB kit delivers very high capacity and speed in a dual 32GB configuration that easily handles demanding games and content creation workloads. The memory runs at an impressive 6,000 MHz with tight latency for DDR5, giving noticeably snappier system responsiveness compared with older or slower modules. Support for both Intel XMP and AMD Expo profiles makes dialing in the rated speed straightforward on modern platforms without manual tuning in the firmware. The integrated RGB lighting is bright, evenly diffused, and fully addressable, so it blends well with other synchronized components in a showcase gaming build. Patriot has validated this kit across current desktop platforms, which helps ensure strong stability even when running at its aggressive performance settings. A limited lifetime warranty from a long-established memory brand adds peace of mind for users planning a long-term high-performance system.